Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Leica Camera Styles for photography on your Xiaomi 17. So let's open the native camera application on our device, and here in the camera app we have many different photo modes or video modes on this bar at the bottom of the screen. So if you are in the photo mode or in the pro mode, you'll be able to switch between Leica Authentic and Leica Vibrant photo modes by tapping in the top right corner of your screen. And if you are using the portrait mode, you'll be able to switch between Master Portrait and Leica Portrait in the very same way. And this way you can enable and switch Leica modes on your camera. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.